Well, today we're at a Hacks and Hackers Hack Day. It's been hosted here by the Open Labs team at Liverpool John Moores University. We've put together hacks, i.e. classic reporters, together with hackers who are developers. And the objective today is for the hackers to work with the reporters, the hacks, and dig out some data sets which they can visualize and produce stories. This is really being driven by the fact that there's a big move within the media industry to what's called data-driven journalism.
I think there's enormous potential for sort of creative collaboration and from each party to sort of learn from each other. So they've got into teams around areas that they're interested in, whether it be education, health, and then they've got the best part of the day to come up with a project, and then at the end of the day they're going to present it back to everyone else.
In our group we've been talking about libraries and library data and how we can make it easier for the public to access library data across the UK, because we've got all these local authorities that have silos of information. What we're trying to do is break that down a little bit and make that more accessible for people.
At the moment there's 3 journalists from the Post and Echo and 1 from the Guardian, and we're at the stage now where we're starting to visualise the data. And we're looking at violence, alcohol, city centre crime incidents.
What we thought we'd do is kind of work out some physical visualization of the legal process. So we've been working on scraping data from the court's website to find out when court's in session, and then we're using this kind of physical computing board called an Arduino to kind of prototype and control a servo motor, and then it's kind of connected via USB to the computer, so that it can find out, the computer can find out from the web when the court's in session, and then it will transmit that over USB to the Arduino, and then the Arduino will let the judge kind of pass sentence.
It really does just open your eyes as to just what is out there and how you can get it all in. It's the sort of stuff that we might have thought, to get this information, yeah, we can get it, but it'll cost us thousands of pounds to go to a company and have it and supply it to us. We're now starting to realise, well, actually, we don't need to do that. There's very cool ways we can access it ourselves and have it coming in automatically to us, to our website. So it's a very exciting day.
The best thing about today has certainly been meeting other people, so meeting people who work in similar fields, but also people who are maybe not traditionally thought of as being in journalism. We're talking about hackers and artists, but who are in the business of taking data and changing it and expressing it in new ways and showing it to people so that someone can see that and learn from it.
Events like this are excellent because it allows different people from different sectors to get together and network and get to know each other a little bit better.
I'm so happy to have got some people from the building out here having a go and experimenting with stuff. It's ace.